In this video, we're going to be showing you how to change your background color on TradingView. Now, this could be considered a continuation from how to change the candlesticks colors. For example, if you've changed your candlesticks colors to a different color, then maybe the white background is not suitable for you. So, how would we change that? Well, that's fairly simple. Once you've opened your chart, all you need to do is right-click anywhere on the chart, move down to Settings, left-click, and then you need to go towards the Canvas section. So below Symbol Status and Scales and Lines, there is the Canvas. So essentially the canvas is the borders and the color of your background. As you can see to the right here, it says background, it's solid, and the color currently selected is white. If we wanted to, we could easily change this to anything else. For example, once left-clicking on the square, we can change the background to blue, purple, or maybe even yellow. The opportunities are endless, and it really does depend up to your own individual preferences. But that is very simply how one could change the background color on TradingView.